Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Poseidon from the new season of Fortnite, Chapter 5, Season 2. So let's get in there at the top. And it's going to draw an arrow at the top here. This is where his kind of top of his kind of crown is. So just do a little point out like that, bring it in, and then just two lines around it. So nice little arrow there. Just curve that around either side. And then we're just going to go doing a point upwards again. So point up there and a point up like that. Then we're going to just do a little dot there. I'm going to make a little diamond shape, so sort of like a reverse arrow, sort of pointing downwards there. Just join that up from here, just join that up around and around here, sort of like the crown area. And we're going to draw a little diamond in the middle of that. Okay. Then we just got two little areas bumps up where the head of Poseidon is. Then we're going to do like a curved line down for his head and around. And here we're just going to go down and around like so. Okay. Next we can draw like the chain around his neck. So kind of going to draw a little area from about here. Just going to do a little curve up like that. Then we're going to go around, down, like it's almost like a little kind of mini shield, I suppose. Just draw a circle in the middle of that. Okay, then it's got a few little sort of decorations along the way on that, so I'm going to do some kind of like just like curved oval sort of shape, sort of moving upwards around there, like one, like two, there. Alright, just join it up with some little sort of chains. So I'm just going to sort of do some sort of chain effect around that, so sort of little lines, curvy lines around, gives the idea of a chain area around there. Okay. Right, just join up the neck area to that chain, so just join up alongside there, so it's a nice neat line. Okay, then next up, what I think we'll do is just work out where his pec muscles are. So got a pec over there, kind of goes under there, just a line under there, around there. Shoulder's going to come around here, so it's going to do a line, curve around like that. Got big thick arms. Do the shoulder area for him here, so his shoulder kind of comes out like that. Okay, alright, we're working down now, so I'm going to draw like the torso area, so that kind of just comes in, leans in, and just like a little line down like that. Next up, let's do the remainder of this arm, so there's a little curve like that in there. I'm going to draw a bicep here, a big sort of curve there, and draw the rest of sort of the upper arm sort of leaning in here, so it's going to come around this way. Alright, let's go on the other side of this arm, so forearm comes around like that, just a curve in like that. Draw a little line for an elbow, and then it kind of comes up where the tricep is, and then just join up where the shoulder area is there. Okay, let's just get the rest of this arm sort of set. So we're just going to draw a line down like that where his bicep would be. It kind of really comes out here where his forearm is, so I'm going to bring that out and around here. So there. Okay, just going to do the remainder of this hand here. So he's got like a sort of piece of armor on around the hand here. So curve up around the wrist area will be there. Curve up, so like a little sort of mini crown. I'm going to draw another arrow here. So bring it up. Put an arrow area like that. Just join up your points. Okay, like that there. All right, cool. Just going to draw his hands coming out here, so hands comes out like this, and then just draw the fingers around like so, like that. Okay, this side same sort of thing, so got his kind of armor on, so it's going to draw a line around there, go up, down, and around there, bring that up there, just join it up here. It's got kind of belts here, which is like a little mini sort of trident going on, so I'm just going to do like little arrow again, lots of little arrows on Poseidon. So 1, 2, 3, and that is his belt area, so we can just join that up around his waist there. Okay, and this kind of just moves in here. This hand sort of comes in around that area there. Alright, okay, just the bottom area here, I'm going to pop a little point there, and again just going to draw like a little arrow where his armor is there. Arrow come round like that there. It's got 2 lines here where it flares out. 2, 3 to crown just around where the material is. And then let's pop these legs in. So line here. On the other side, line up the top area of his legs. Still on the other side there. 1, 2. Sort of like where his knees would be. So it's a couple of little lines in there. I'm going to just taper it in where those are. Like that. And then bring that out and around and down for the upper part of his leg area. Tapers in there. So little point there. Bring that up and around. Like so there. Okay. Okay. This side, calf muscle's got to come around like this, down there. Just for part of the leg, just a line like that. Let's pop a foot in, so it's going to come around here, down and around and up the heel is. This side, the foot's going to come out here, so it's a bit more of an angular one. So line down, bring the line out and around, just join that up. Okay, and just put a little line there just to show that off. Okay, cool. Just to the back of Trident's material around his belt, I'm just going to do a V shape, like that'll be there. Then what we can do is just do a little bit of sort of detail around there. So I'm just going to do a little bit just to make it effective. Same with here. It's almost another sort of diamond shape, and then sort of do some piping around that. Join up, blocking where the lines are there. A couple of little lines in here. I've almost got this little part coming out here, so I've got room there to just draw a line, come out and around, just to sort of give a hint of it on that side there. Let's have a look. So these wrist sort of bits of armor, let's just do a couple of curves in there just for the detail. Same on this side, like maybe just a little bit there, a little bit like that. Give it that little cool detail. Kind of like a circular area on the material here. So I'm going to draw sort of most of the circle there, and maybe just line up, pipe around it. This area here, come around like that. Just has a cool bit of detail to him. Alright, cool. Looks good. Let's work up there. So he's quite sort of rounded and globule-like. So I don't want to do too much sort of detail around him, but it's just do a little bit where the bicep would be, just sort of around here where the muscles would be, or maybe where sort of the chest area is, or the pecs are, just a little bit line in there. Let's just go in there, do the blob of his head. So what I'm going to do, let's pop the eyes in. So I'm going to do like 2 circles, 1, 2, like that. And then it's got a light popping out of him, so I'm going to just colour around. So there's a little popping bit of light around there, and around that area there. Okay, so now we've got that just around there. We've got like his blob of his head around there. So it's going to do a circle that comes around like this, like that there, and then let's just bring that around the other side, like a nice blob around there. It's kind of like a little drop coming out of that, so we can just do a little blob like that, and then we can draw another little circle in there, like another little blob. Cool. Okay, let's put a nice smile on his face. So I'm just going to draw a nice little smile in the center there. Okay, that's cool. Just going to put a little bit of a wavy background behind him as well, just sort of pop something in there, so some little waves there. Alright, cool. Let's colour him in. So what I'm going to do is get the main colour now, sort of a nice sort of tealy green, and just going to do like the main fill of the area. So just going to block in the colour. What I'm going to do is just leave some areas that are going to be white, so it sort of shows that he's blob-like just around here. He's got some sort of round here, bit there too, just coming up sort of around on this side. So we're really going to just work around that area there. Blob sort of comes around here. This area too. And then a couple of little blob-like areas there. I'm just gonna leave a little bit of light on this side. I might just cut a bit of lighter colour just on the very edge of that. Just fill that in. Some nice teal colour to fill in here. Just around like that. Okay, cool. Let's do the leg area. So again, just going to do some area around here where kind of shows that it's blob-like and water-like. Fill in around there. Cool. And on this side, I think little blob sort of here around this side. So just up, and then the darker bit will be sort of the inner part of the leg. Alright, so I think now about how that's going to look like at the top of the image here. So I think there's quite a big blob that comes around like this. So around the area of the face, there we are. Fill that in around there, and maybe just a little bit here. I could just fill in the rest. Just try to stay in the lines. Top here, I'm just gonna do it like that, and then just fill it in there. Okay, just the hands to go. So really, again, maybe just fill in there, maybe just leave a bit there. Same goes with the sort of thumb and the fingers on, and we can fill the rest in there. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get a nice lighter green, maybe just around here. I'm just gonna do the face area, just fill that in. Gives it a nice green tone to the pick. And then maybe we just want to just add a little bit just in here where the light bounces, just sort of help sort of step and blend it in just around these areas, so you still get a nice pop, but just a little bit more colour to it. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, next up, just going to get a bluey colour, and maybe I'll just, where the shadows might be, just sort of push into sort of these inner parts. It just gives it a little hint of a shadow. Let's just get a little bit of a more vibrant, more vibrant blue for the darker areas. I'm just going to just add, yeah, just a little bit sort of extra sort of bluey pop. Kind of helps around here, and maybe just in the mouth area there. Okay, nice. Maybe just in the leg area there. Down here. Cool. Okay. Next up, let's get a nice vibrant yellow. Let's get that armor all filled in. So I'm just gonna bring it there. I'm gonna leave areas of white just to show the armor kind of popping away there. And then here, just these bits, some nice like bit of light bouncing off it. That's pretty cool as well. And then maybe in this area here too. And yeah, the chain areas, so just fill those in. And then at the top here, I've got the trident crown. So just pop that in, maybe just leave that little bit of light again around there. Okay, nice. Let's just get that green again, and we'll just fill in like the emerald kind of colour around there and these parts as well. It's emerald over there. Maybe just in there. And that's a bit of a kind of maybe just get a bit of a blue inside of yeah. Just show a bit of a darker tone. Maybe just a little hint of it sort of here, coming around there as well. Then we're just going to grab a slightly darker yellow, more orangey tone, just sort of play into the shadows a little bit, and the reflectiveness of this kind of regal gold that we've got going on here. Here as well on this side, just adds that bit of depth to the pick. Just little corners around here, just add that sort of shadow or area to it. At the top there, just going to pop that kind of emerald colour in again. Maybe just add a bit of the light blue, and then around here. It just helps bounce, pick a little bit. Alright, okay, just go back and get a nice blue again. Let's just pop a few of these waves in, just in the back here. Just sort of shows the movement, nice sort of strokes in there. That's cool. And just a little bit of detail just at the top here, just a little touch, kind of just a little bit extra, just gives it that pop. Same in here, there's a little bit of detail on there and sort of carvings around here. Same goes here, we've got that sort of fish look, so kind of just do a couple of little eyes, just a hint of that going on, and maybe just a bit more of the belt. There we go. Alright, okay. That's pretty cool. That is Poseidon, so let's pop it in. On Art Draw. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.